Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariam if you're new here. So today we are going to talk about how to always look chic and put together. So I have few tips that I'm going to share with you. I've been using this tip myself and they have been helping me so much to look chic and put together. So tip number one, less is more. When I am putting together an outfit, I like to keep things as simple as possible, and always I work with basic pieces. You can dress up your jeans, such a basic piece, but it doesn't have to look just basic. You can dress up your jeans by adding heels, white sneakers, blazer, or white button downs. Even when I buy new stuff, I like to buy basic things. It's easier for me to put together an outfit every day. Tip number two, you have to stick to 3 colors per outfit. This is going to help so much to look effortless and put together. It depends on you and your style, but for me, I like to stick to neutral colors. Beige, gray, white, black. Those are the colors that I like to use myself. As you can see today, what I'm wearing, I focused on basic pieces and neutral things. So for me, it's so easy to put together an outfit every day. So this is my personal opinion and my personal style. It depends on you what you like. You can even add accent color, depend on your style. So I can wear even different type of neutral colors in one outfit. So that's what I like to do. Or it could be even 2 colors. It can be like black and beige, like what I'm wearing today. This is going to help you so much to have effortless look and to look put together. Another thing is to iron or steam your clothes. I don't know why, there is something about having like clean and iron clothes. Always I iron my clothes before putting them in my wardrobe. So after washing my clothes, I iron them straight and putting them in my wardrobe. When I want to go out, I can just take anything without thinking about ironing. So I advise you, iron your clothes before putting them back in your closet. Next is to style your outfit, you guys. So there are little things that you can do that can help you so much to elevate your look, make you look a little bit like stylish and chic. So for me, I like so much, like I can't go out without tucking in my top. You can be wearing exactly same thing as someone else, will look completely different just on how you style. So you can just do like little thing like tuck in, you can fold your sleeve, or you can pull up your sleeve like this. These are the little things that can help you to look more stylish, chic. Next tip is makeup. So I advise you to keep your makeup as simple and natural as possible. So for me, I like to wear makeup sometimes, but most of the time, like 80% of the time, I don't wear makeup. But if I'm not wearing makeup, and if you don't like makeup, you can put lipstick or lip gloss. Even try to put a little bit of mascara. When I don't wear makeup, I like to put lipstick and put on glasses. Just by putting the red lipstick and glasses, help me so much to look chic and put together even when I'm not wearing makeup. Next tip is accessories. Accessories are key, you guys. Try to wear simple accessories like necklaces. Just try to go with a necklace with the simple details like the one that I'm wearing today. This is chunky necklace, but it doesn't have a lot of details, so it's just simple necklace. These are the rings that I wear all the time. This is my wedding ring, and this one here, I just wear 2 rings like all the time. I have other rings, but I like to wear these 2 here. I like to wear glasses all the time because they can help you to look chic. So that's why I like so much to wear glasses, and this helped me so much. As I said before, if I'm not wearing makeup, I just put on glasses with a red lipstick. So when it comes to bag, you can try to find nice structure and simple bag like this one here. I can wear this with everything. That's why I really like this bag, because it's just simple bag and it has this simple detail, gold details, and I really like how you can open this. You open this right here, and yes, so this is just simple small bag. Yeah, and I'll put the link of this bag in the description down below, because this bag you can find in so many websites. This one I got in AliExpress and was so affordable. Next is to take care of your nails, you guys. You know, we use our hands all the time, as you see, like when I'm talking, and even you, I think when you talk, you use your hands all the time. So try to keep your nails as clean as possible. So for me, as you can see, my nails are just short. I don't have any color on. So as you can see, my nails are just clean and simple. So when I want to do nails, I don't like to go to the salon. I do my nails at home. If I want to put color, you can do anything with your nails. Just try to keep them as clean as possible and keep them away from chipping. So yes. Next thing is hair. Keep your hair well styled and clean. So it doesn't matter if you have weave, wig, or you have natural hair or relaxed hair. Just try to style your hair, keep your style simple. This is going to help you to look put together. So if you are wearing a wig, try to make your wig look natural. I've been wearing this wig for 5 months, same wig every day. The things that I do all the time is washing my hair, and after washing my hair, I like to style, flat iron my wig. Today I just brushed my hair and I put my hair behind like this, or you can put hairband, depend on you what you like. I'll film a video showing you guys how to make your wig look natural and lay it flat. Please, if you like this type of video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more video, and I will see you guys on my next. Bye bye.